Today we will learn minor and cofactor of a matrix. We will learn how to find minor and cofactor of an element of a matrix. So here A is a matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. We have 6 elements. We can find minor of all the 6 elements. So minor of the first element, minor of A11. Minor of A11 is denoted by M11. Minor of A11 is denoted by M11. Minor of Aij. Minor of Aij. Element Aij is denoted by Mij. So the minor is defined. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and the column in which the element lies. Minor of an element is defined. Minor of an element is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and the column in which the element lies. So here minor of Aij, that is Mij. So when we delete ith row and jth column, the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column, that will be the minor of Aij. So now we are going to learn how to find a minor of A11. So when we find a minor of A11, that is the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. So when we delete first row and first column, the corresponding determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. So that is minor. Minor of A11. So when we find, we can find the value of this determinant, product, then their difference. That is M11. Similarly, we can find M12. So when we find a minor of an element, minor of A12 is obtained by deleting ith row, deleting first row and second column. A12, this is A12. So A12 is in first row, delete A12 in second column. So the remaining A21, A23, A31, A33. So when we find its determinant, deleting. So its determinant, that is M12. Similarly, we can find the M13. M13, minor of A13. M13 is minor of A13. So minor of A13. A13 is in first row and third column. Deleting first row and third column. Then find the determinant of the remaining elements. That is A21, A22, A31, A32. So similarly, we can find a minor of all the 6 elements. We can find a minor of this element. This is A32. So minor M32. So A32, that is an element in third row and second column. So we will delete third row and second column. Then find the determinant of the remaining elements. That is determinant A11, A13, A21, A23. A11, A13, A21, A23. So when we expand this one, we will get a minor. So that is minor of an element Aij. Minor of an element Aij is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. So that is Mij. Now another term, cofactor. Cofactor of Aij. Cofactor of Aij denoted by capital letter Aij. So cofactor of Aij, that is minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. That is the definition of cofactor. Cofactor of Aij, cofactor of element Aij, that is denoted by capital letter Aij, that is minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. So here we can find the cofactor of first element A11. It is denoted by capital letter A11. So here the definition minus 1 raised to I plus j, that is 1 plus 1 into Mij. So that is so 1 plus 1 into M11. So here minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 is an even number. 2 is an even number. So minus 1 raised to 2, that is plus 1. So here plus 1 into M11. So that is here. Same. A22, A23, A32, A33. So here minor and cofactor, both of them are equal. So if minus 1 raised to I plus j, if we get a even number here, minor and cofactor will be same. We can find a cofactor of second element, that is A12. Cofactor of A12, that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into Mij. So here 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 is an odd number. So minus 1 raised to 3, that is minus 1. So in this case, when we find cofactor, we need to, this is M13, sorry, M12. So here if you want to find a cofactor, we need to multiply the corresponding minor by minus 1. So when we A12, that depends on sum of these two numbers. If sum of these two numbers 1 plus 2, if the sum of these two numbers is even number, then the minor and the cofactor will be same, and if that sum is odd number, the cofactor will be negative of minor. So here it will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus, then M12. M12 is this one. A21, A23, A31, A33. And when we find A13, that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M13. Then minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is an even number. So minus 1 raised to even number, that is positive. So M13. So M13 is determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. So here M11 and A11, both of them same, because 1 plus 1 is an even number. Here A12 is negative of M12. Reason, 1 plus 2, that is 3, is an odd number. And here A13 and M13 exactly same, because 1 plus 3 is an even number. So when we find cofactor of a matrix, if I plus j is even number, minor and cofactor will be same. And if I plus j is odd number, cofactor will be negative of minor. Cofactor will be negative of minor. If their sum is even number, cofactor and minor will be same. So these are the minor and cofactor of an element. Now we are going to we can find here M11, 12, 13. M13 is this one, determinant A21, A22, A31, A32. Now we are going to find the product of elements in R1 with their corresponding cofactors. The product of the elements, the sum of the product of elements in R1 with their corresponding cofactors. Sum of the product of elements in R1 with their corresponding cofactors. So first element A11 into corresponding cofactor A11 plus A12 into corresponding cofactor A12 plus A13 corresponding cofactor A13. So this is the sum of the product of elements of R1 with their corresponding cofactors. So here that is A11 into A11 we can replace by minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 raised to 2, that is even number. So A11 into M11. Or we can write that determinant here, A11 into determinant A22, A23, A32, A33 plus A12 into cofactor of A12. Cofactor of A12 is negative. So minus determinant. So that minus we can keep here. Minus determinant A21, A23, A31, A33. Then plus A13. A13 into cofactor of 13 minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 positive. So positive. Same. Cofactor and minor. Same here. A21, A22, A31, A32. So now we got sum of the product of elements of R1 with their corresponding cofactors. That is this one. So here, this is actually A11. A11 deleting, then determinant. A11 deleting A diagonal wise A22, A23, A32. Minus A12 deleting determinant plus A13 into determinant. So here alternate positive and negative. So this is the determinant of that matrix. So this is determinant A. So the determinant A, this is actually determinant A. First element into deleting determinant of this one. Minus second element into deleting then determinant A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13 determinant. So that is actually the determinant of that matrix. So the determinant of a matrix can be expressed as the product of the sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with their corresponding cofactors. Sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with their corresponding cofactors, that is determinant. So here this is by using the first row, when we find a determinant using cofactors, that is A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. So here everywhere we have positive sign because A12 will be negative here, because 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 is an odd number, and similarly 1 plus 3 positive, 1 plus 3 is 4, so it will be positive. So similarly we can find the determinant by using cofactors. We can find a determinant by using cofactors. We can use any one row or any one column. So when we use cofactors for finding determinant, the determinant will be the sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with their corresponding cofactors. So A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13 is equal to determinant A. That is determinant A. But if we find sum of the product of any one row or any one column with the cofactors of any other row or any other column, then the value will be always 0. Example, A11 into A21 plus A12 into A22 plus A13 into A23. So here this is the sum of the product of elements of first row A11, A12, A13 with the cofactors of second row A21, A22, A23, A21, A22, A23. So its answer will be 0. So we can easily verify this one by taking some examples. So if the sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with the cofactors of any other row or any other column will be 0. But if sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with the corresponding cofactors will be the determinant of that matrix. So now we are going to do some questions from exercise. Exercise 4.4. Second question. Second part we can do. 1, 0, 4, 3, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we need to find the minor and the cofactor of the elements of the following matrices or determinants. So here we will find the minor and the cofactor M11, M12, M13, then M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. So we are going to find the minor and the cofactors. So minor of first element. This is the first element. Deleting first row and deleting first column. Then find the determinant of the rest of the elements. Then when you find the determinant, 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 1 into minus 1, that is 10 minus minus 1, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. Then M12, minor of element 1, 2. So deleting, then diagonal wise, 6 minus 0, that is 6. Then M13, deleting, find the determinant of this one, 3 into 1, 3 minus 0, that is 3. Then M21, minor of this element, deleting, 0 into 2, that is 0, minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Then M22, minor of this element, deleting, 1 into 2, 2 minus 0, that is 2. Then minor of this element, deleting, 1 into 1, minus 0 into 0, that is 1. Then minor of this element, deleting, 0, minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Then M32, deleting, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 12, 3 into 4, 12, that is minus 1 minus 12, that is minus 13. Then this one, deleting, 5 into 1, 5 minus 0, that is 5. So now we got minor of all the elements, 6 elements here. So you need to check it properly. I am not to check, I didn't check. I hope these all numbers are correct. You need to verify. Now we are going to find the cofactors. These are the minors. Now we can find the cofactors. Corresponding cofactors A11. When we find the A11, then A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, then A31, A32, A33. So when we find the cofactors, if I plus j is an even number, then the cofactor and minor will be same, because that is the definition of cofactor. Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. So if their sum is positive, if their sum is an even number, minor and cofactor will be same. If their sum is an odd number, cofactor will be negative of minor. So here 1 plus 1 is even number, so cofactor and minor will be same. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is an odd number, so negative of this one. 1 plus 3, even number, same. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is an odd number, so opposite sign. So it becomes 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is an odd number, so here we need to take negative of minor, so negative of minor is plus 4. Then here even number, 2 plus 2 even number, so same. 2 plus 3 odd number, so negative of this one, minus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is even number, same. And here 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is odd number, negative of this one, 13. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is even number, same. So now we got minor and cofactors. And here if I plus j is even number, minor and cofactor will be same. If I plus j is odd number, cofactor is negative of minor. So now we got that question. Now we are going to do one more question. We can do question number 3 and 4, same method. We will do fourth question. Fourth one, using cofactors of elements of third column, evaluate determinant. 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, y, z, zx, xy. We have done the same question by using properties in previous exercise. We need to find using cofactors of elements of third column. We need to find the value of the determinant using cofactors of the elements of third column. Using the cofactors of the elements of third column, we need to find value of determinant. So determinant symbol, we can use this symbol also. Determinant equal to, by using the cofactors of third column. So when we use the cofactors for finding the determinant, we will not use alternate positive and negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, then positive, negative, positive. That sign we will not use when we use cofactors, because in cofactor we have sign. Depends on I plus j. So we will not use the sign. Then the cofactor will be here A11, A12, A13. This is A13. So A13 into capital A13 plus this is A21, A22, A23. So A23 into capital letter A23. Then A31, A32, A33. So A33 into capital letter. So that is A13, A13 plus A23, A23, same numbers, 23, 23, 33, 33. So this will be the value of the determinant. So we can find determinant A13. A13 is YZ. Then cofactor of 13, deleting. Then Z minus Y. And here 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, even number, so the sign will be same. Then plus A23, element A23, that is Zx. Then cofactor of 23, deleting. Then 1 into Z minus 1 into X, that is Z minus X. And here sign 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is an odd number. So sign will be negative. So that we will multiply by negative. That means this term will be negative. Plus A33 xy in bracket cofactor of element A33. So deleting. Then find the determinant. Value of the determinant 1 into y minus 1 into x, y minus x. Then sign of the cofactor A33, 3 plus 3, 6 is an even number, so the sign will be same. Then when we open this bracket, we will get the final answer, and you can compare with the backside answer. So we can find the determinant by using the cofactors of any row or any column. So here we calculated the determinant by using the cofactors of third column. So when we use cofactors, we will not keep sign, alternate positive and negative, because in cofactors we have sign. We will do one more question. Question number 5. If determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 and Aij is cofactor of Aij, then value of determinant is given by, we have 5 options. First option A11, A31 plus A12, A32 plus A13, A33. Second option A11, A11 plus A12, A21 plus A13, A31. Third option A21, A11 plus A22, A12 plus A23, A13. Fourth option A11, A11 plus A21, A21 plus A31, A31. So here our question, if determinant and Aij is cofactor of Aij, then value of determinant. So one of them is the value of determinant. The value of the determinant is the sum of the product of elements of any one row or any one column with the corresponding cofactors of that particular column or particular row. Sum of the product of the elements of any one row or any one column with their corresponding cofactors, that is determinant. So here A11, A31 both are different, so it's not possible. A11, A11, A12 but 21 both are different, not possible. A21, A11 different, A11, A11 same, A21, A21 same, A31, A31 same. So this is determinant. So this is the sum of the product of, this is the sum of the product of the elements of first column and their corresponding cofactors. Sum of the elements of, sum of the product of the elements of first column and this is small letter A and with their corresponding cofactors. So this is the correct answer. This will be the determinant, the value of the determinant of this matrix. Okay, thank you.